Durham,
Of course,
Durham.
let's welcome
Let's go,
our
Durham.
brothers and sisters from Durham.
Go Durham, go
Chapter.
Durham, go Durham, Durham, Durham.
We, the East. We, the East, the East. We.
The original East. Welcome to the East. And led by our awesome brother Adele and sister Susan Bautista.
Praise God! Thank you. Who wants to move to Durham? Contact Brother Adele.
See,
Sister Susan.
we're not from Durham.
There you go. Thank you so much.
We're really
How many?
not from Durham. Go Durham!
Now, can I ask you, how many practice did you done? Have you done? Only one. Okay, one practice. All right, brothers and sisters, let's move on. All right, let's welcome